Can you decode this puzzle? Cold fish. This is used to describe someone that is unfriendly or unemotional. Guess the idiom. Answer is couch potato. This is used to describe a lazy person. What's this puzzle saying? Under the weather. This is used when someone is feeling slightly ill or unwell. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is big mouth. This is used to describe someone who talks too much or cannot be trusted to keep secrets. Can you decode this puzzle? Early bird. This refers to a person who naturally wakes up very early or arrives early. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret by mistake. Can you decode this puzzle? It's walking on eggshell, means to be very careful not to offend or upset someone. Can you guess this correctly? This is very common. Answer is bookworm. This is used to describe someone who is devoted to reading or studying. What's this puzzle saying? Butterflies in my stomach. Which means a feeling of being very nervous about something. Can you guess this correctly? Peace of mind. Can you guess this correctly? Answer is cold shoulder, which means an unfriendly attitude shown to someone. What's this puzzle saying? Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. What's this puzzle saying? A dime a dozen. Means something very common and not valuable. What's this puzzle saying? Did you guess correctly? Time flies. This is used to say that time passes quickly. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is break a leg. It is used for wishing someone good luck. Can you guess this correctly? This is very easy. Answer is itching palm. Refers to a strong desire for money. What's this puzzle saying? Take the bull by the horns. Means to deal with a difficult situation in a very direct way. What's this puzzle saying? Flog a dead horse. To waste effort on something that is already finished. Can you guess this correctly? Cut the Gordian knot. Meaning to solve a complex problem in a simple way. What's this puzzle saying? Hold your horses. To wait, be patient, or slow down. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you.